A lot of times, it's your own actions. It's the stuff that you are doing that are making others not like you, are making others not want to be friends with you, not want to talk to you, not want to be around you. Today, boys, these are the most annoying habits that make you unlikable. Let's hop into this. Number one, being too nice. When you're too nice, the first thing people think about, like, what is it? What do you want? What are you really after? See, nobody actually believes anybody's that nice, and usually, most people aren't. Most people that are super nice, they're only nice because they want something in return, whether that's a friendship, a like, a follow, a shout out, whatever it is. Most people are looking for something for themselves, and that's why when you're too nice, people walk all over you. When you're too nice, women will ignore you and go for the dude that treats them worse because at least that dude isn't expecting anything in return. Number two, acting like you don't care, like you don't like someone. For example, like acting like you don't like someone, or like you don't enjoy this party, or like you're not enjoying whatever you're doing. See, acting like you don't care makes it seem like you don't care, and at that point, nobody wants to be around you. Suppressing your emotions like this just makes people ignore you and go to people that actually express their emotions, where you can fully understand what they're after, what they're looking for, and can communicate. If you're not communicating emotionally, most people won't be able to connect with you. Number three, not looking someone in the eyes. This is powerful. This is the most important part of communication. When you're speaking to somebody, that connection, it's deep. But when you start ignoring eye contact because you're insecure or whatever, all you're telling the other person is you got something to hide. It's that you're not secure in what you're saying or what you're doing. And that makes you unlikable. This is why I've always said you need to practice strong eye contact and then deploy any trick you possibly can to make it easier. For me, it was always glasses. See, when you're first starting out and you can't have that powerful conversation with someone that you have to look at them in the eyes, use a pair of glasses. I'm telling you, it's a revolutionary trick, bro. It's so simple. You throw on glasses, it's like this mental trick where now because you have a physical barrier, you feel safe. It's like your safe place. You also look badass, right? Like now you look mysterious, you look a little aloof, and you're keeping that direct eye contact because you're behind a physical object. This is the strongest hack people need to deploy, and if you don't have a good pair of sunglasses, look no further. Go to Jade Black. See, our brand Jade Black, we make it simple. We've perfected the sunglass, and we've done it in the most affordable way possible. Where our glasses are made is the same factories that designers are made also with the same materials. I know what they're charging, and I also know what they cost. Let's just say those same $400 glasses, we're selling them to you for $50. I'm going to leave it there. See, I'm trying to give you the best of the best value at the lowest price possible, and that's why they're so popular. Bro, if you don't have a pair of glasses or even a collection of glasses, you need to click that link down below. You can pick up 4 pairs. It's still more affordable than one just designer pair, and the best part is with Jade Black, for the first time, we have free shipping and free returns if you live in the US. If you guys want to check that out, I'm going to have a link down below. Number 4, forgetting people's name. There's this quote that says, hearing your name is the sweetest sound a person can hear. And it's true, right? When you're in a conversation with somebody and somebody says, yo, Jose, it's like you pay attention. It's like you turn around. And there's this subtle feeling of like, oh, they remembered, right? Especially when you just met somebody new. And this is a bad habit that most people have, right? You'll meet somebody new like, hey, I'm Jose. And you'll be like, hey. And she'll be like, hey, I'm Cherry or whatever, right? Now you're in a conversation 10 minutes later. You can't remember their name. And you'll be like, all right, peace, I'm out, because you forgot the name. Versus what I want you to start doing is practicing using the name in the middle of the conversation. See, when you deploy the name in the middle of conversation, they like the sound of that because it makes them feel like you remembered. And that type of connection makes you likable. Number 5, cutting people off. See, when you do that, well, you're letting people know it's the Jose show. It's the me show, and what I'm saying is what's important. See, everybody has thoughts. When you don't let other people finish their thoughts because you have to interject at every second to battle whatever they're saying, that's you telling them that you don't respect their thoughts and your thoughts are the only ones that matter. That's just unlikable. And finally, number 6, flexing. And it can come in any shape, way, or form, right? It could be flexing about your follower count. It could be flexing that you know a certain somebody, so you start name dropping. It could be flexing that you own certain things, or that you have money, or that you made a big purchase. Flexing of any kind will never make you likable. And I don't understand why people think that it makes you look cooler, or why you think people will want to be your friend. Most of the time, when we hear people flex all the time, all you want to do is leave that person's vicinity because they're just obnoxious. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video so we can all, as brothers, become more likable. That's it for your boy. See you next time.